First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Hello guys, it's me, the author of Spoken English Corner and your friend and tutor as well regarding spoken English. So guys, today I am here for you again and want to talk about two confusing words. So before moving towards the topic, if you people are new here on my channel and watching my video at first time, so go and click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit on bell icon as well, because there you will receive new update regarding spoken English. So let's start without wasting of your precious time. Those confusing words are negligent and negligible. Both words seems similar, but there is a difference in meaning. So let's take a start from first one, which is negligent. Negligent means not being careful or failing to care over something. Or you can also say not giving enough attention to something that are your responsibility, but you are failing to care about them. So guys, now I'm going to bring it in a sentence for you guys, that it will clear your idea that how you can bring it in your own conversation. Whenever you bring any difficult word in your own conversation, so it will retain in your memory for a long time. So whenever you found any difficult word and after finding the meaning of it, so please don't forget to use in your own conversation, because that would be retained in your memory for a long time. Whereas guys, let's get into the sentence. Like, the judge said that the teacher had been negligent in allowing the children to swim in dangerous water. I am reiterating it for you again. The judge said that the teacher had been negligent in allowing the children to swim in dangerous water. So guys, let's dive into the next one that we have for today's lesson, which is negligible. Negligible means that you are giving too slight or small importance to something. You are giving too minor or small importance to something. So guys, that was the meaning of negligible. Now here is the turn to use in conversation or sentence. So before using in sentence or conversation, I am trying to create a situation for you that you will easily understand that how you can bring that word in your own conversation. So like, there will be two products for you, for example, or let's suppose there will be two products for you and somebody asks about your perception or remarks, and he or she said to you, so please sir, I need your remarks and tell me what is the difference between both. And after your inspection, your statement will be like, both of them are similar, but there is a slight difference between them. I hope guys you understood the situations. So after your inspection of those two products, your statement would be like, the difference between the two products or the difference between the product is negligible. So here in this statement, the negligible means that you are giving short or slight importance to something. The difference between the product is negligible. So guys, last but not the least, that's all about today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. In case you found this video was helpful for you, so please like it and share it with others. Maybe they will also take some benefit from it. See you next time, and don't forget to keep learning and practicing until the next lesson. Goodbye and take care of yourself.